When did you get married?
I got married in 2018.
Do you love your husband?
Very much. He's my best friend.
Do you have any children?
Yes, we have two,
What are their names?
Emma and Ayan.
How did you meet your husband?
We met through mutual friends.
Was it love at first sight?
Not exactly, but we clicked quickly.
Do you live with your parents?
No, but we visit them often.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one brother and one sister.
Are you close with your family?
Very close. We talk almost daily.
What do you and your husband argue about most?
Usually small things like chores or time management.
Who usually cooks at home?
We both do, depending on the day.
Do you like spending time with your in-laws?
Yes, they're really supportive.
Do you and your husband share the same interests?
We balance each other out.
Have you ever been in a long-distance relationship?
Yes, for a year before we got married. Maybe in the future. We're happy for now.
Where are you from?
I am from Egypt.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny today.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in Egypt.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
How do you feel today?
I feel very happy today.
What is your name?
My name is David Miller.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English and German. I
How old are you?
am 30 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have one daughter.
Where are you from?
I am from Berlin, Germany.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is 12th of June 1994.
What is your profession?
I am an engineer.
What is your address?
I live in Alexanderplatz, Berlin.
What is your nationality?
I am German.
What is your religion?
I am Muslim.
Are you a student?
No, I am not.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have a German passport.
What is your qualification?
I have a master's degree in mechanical engineering.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you work?
Yes, I work full-time.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have two children.
What is your husband's name?
His name is Michael.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have two sisters.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Linda.
What is your nationality?
I am American.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
Are you a student? What is your favorite sport?